What's up, my YouTube friends? I'm Jeremy. How about that? Is that a normal, good voice? You guys like that in YouTube land? Because I know it's like two cats doing it. We say that, right? Anyways, nah, I can't do it. Anyways, what's up, my YouTube friends? I'm Jeremy from WeldTec Designs, and I'm going to be your host for about the next 8 minutes, and we're going to talk about vans. And I have a great selection of vans behind me. I mean, you guys want to talk about a normal express van with a 5-inch lift? If you did, there's a card, boom. How about the Explorer van conversion with our coilover kit? Maybe you want 4-wheel drive, maybe you don't, but you could have a coilover kit on the front of your Explorer van, and this thing's beautiful, 2020, brand new. This thing's rad. I don't even know what's on here. I've never seen this van before. This is Velocis. Dude, if you love Velocis, if you do, you want to see more about it, boom, another card. But today, I want to talk about something simple, a little bit more ordinary, normal, and fun, not crazy. How about this awesome Ford van? All the way from Georgia, we got an Ocotillio Cruiser with a cool build out inside. We love showing you guys what people are building on the inside of their vans, but let's talk about what we did to the outside of this van to get it so that, well, it still doesn't really have bigger tires on it, but that's going to be something we're going to do, or maybe he's going to be doing later on in the future, which is always cool. I love seeing what you guys do to your vans. You guys have a ton of skills that I don't even possess when it comes to all the cool stuff that's inside. Well, let's jump to the front of this thing and talk about what we did up there. So this is what we call our Ocotillio Cruiser Kit. Now I know there's going to be a couple things that are slightly confusing on this, and I'm going to try to cover it so that way you know. So this particular Ocotillio Cruiser Kit, as we jump down in here, you're going to see we have the longer radius arms. So there it is, extended radius arms. So the benefit of those extended radius arms is because this particular individual, or you maybe in YouTube land, you want to run a 285, 70, 17 tire. So we put the radius arms on there to push this whole thing forward. This wheel's slightly turned, but you can see it's really close up here. So when he goes to a bigger tire, he's definitely going to have to do some trimming on there. So not a lot of height. So when you put that bigger tire on there, it's going to fill in that wheel well a lot better. Now, normally the Ocotillio Cruiser Kit is going to just come with modified radius arms. That's going to correct the caster. So I know a lot of you guys that put either a spacer or you put the bigger Moog coils in there, and then all of a sudden it wanders all over the road because you've taken all the caster out of it. You're going to need a set of radius arms in order to fix that, and normally the Ocotillio Cruiser Kit is great for that. But anyways, guys, super simple beams, our extended radius arms, coils, and of course the Fox shocks up in the front of this, and that's going to complete the front end. We didn't even do a steering stabilizer on this. We kept it really simple. So in the back of this, guys, we kept it really simple in the back of this. So we have done our Fox shocks, we did our blocks, but we did something else a little bit unique in this to help the ride out, is we did that negative overload spring in there in order to help make it not so stiff, because really these overload springs, if you don't have a lot of weight in the back of your van, it's just going to kill it and it rides really rough. Now keep in mind, guys, that's something that's a really good, inexpensive addition to do to any van, whether it's lifted or just stock. The negative overload springs help out a ton. If you do not have or do not carry a lot of weight or do not have a really heavy build out in the back of your van. And we'll get a shot of those, and also I know we added some new pictures of those to our website. So that's about it for the outside, guys, that we did to it. Let's check out the inside. Let me show you guys what the owner did to it. All right, guys, so inside this thing, you can see that he is still building it out in the inside, but it looks really nice in here. I see he has the LED lighting that's running down this track system in the middle, and he's done kind of like that older wood look along the roof and on the sides. What's cool about this too is I'm not really sure what's going on or where he got these panels out of, guys, but these side panels almost look like some sort of passenger van internal panels. Something a little different, something that I've never seen in a van. So you can see on here he's got kind of like his sleeping platform right there, and then some drawers and storage underneath it. And then it looks like what he's got going up here in the front is going to be kind of his closet. What's really nice about these Ford vans too is once you have this seat flipped around, you know, you do kind of have a lot of room just to hang out and sit up here, which is really cool. I definitely like that. I will tell you this flooring in here is looking super sweet. I really like it. I don't know how many we've seen with the lighter wood flooring, but I think what's cool about it is it really brightens up the whole interior of this van, which is nice. He's got his refrigerator right here, which is going to be cool. Obviously, because it's a refrigerator, that's why it's cool. Dun-dun-dun. But I don't even know what brand it is. It's currently 41 degrees though, I'll tell you that, and it's got a bunch of food in it. You can see that he's got his controller up here for his solar panels up in the top, and just some more cabinets and storage along the outside of it, which is really cool. So a very simple build, but you know, simple sometimes is better, not a ton of stuff in here. So like I said, guys, I love seeing what you guys are doing on the inside of this. You know, a lot more cabinets. I don't want to be going through all his stuff, but just overall simple and neat. I like it, I dig it. So I'm sure that there's something that I missed on this video. I don't know, did I, you know, or something that maybe I did not answer. And if I did, please comment below. I would love to hear what you guys think of the interior or exterior of this build. I'm sure we're going to be seeing it back for some more, as we are going to probably add some more stuff to it. That's what we love about these. We get to update you guys on the videos. So I know that you guys have already smashed that subscribe button, smash, boom, 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 and give this one a big thumbs up. And if you have any questions on the vans in the video, or if you have any questions on the vans in the beginning of this video, that's what I was meaning to say, we will put some links down below so you can check out all of those vans that have videos on them already. So that's it. It's hot as hell out here today, guys. I got my KZ Neistas on, and I'm repping my boy Bink right there, you know. So if you guys need any kind of social media, or not even social media, so he does everything, guys. You need cool hats, go to Bink. So anyways, that's it. I'm done. That's it. See you guys. I'm leaving Austin in here. Bye, Austin.